Hi guys, Mari here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you another unboxing video. I'm gonna show you my favorites from the H&M Spring collection. If you've been following me for my Sezane unboxing videos, I think you should stick around because I believe you would like the pieces I've selected. Let me show you what I got. Okay, first my favorite dress from the collection is this midi dress in a micro floral. It's made out of 100% cotton and it has big, voluptuous and fun sleeves. It had my name written all over it. I knew I had to have it. And what I love about this dress is the sleeve in person is just as puffy and beautiful as it is on the website. A lot of times when you buy a puffy sleeve, it looks really good on the website, but it looks nothing like it when you get it. But this is not the case. You get all the volume because they've done a really good job in the construction. They have added an extra layer of fabric here, so it has that volume and that puffiness. The dress is closed by a zipper at the back because the fabric is 100% cotton, is not elastic at all. It closes with a zipper. The zipper has this cotton string that helps you zip it on your own. I really like when they add little details like that. I went with a size extra small. It's a midi length and the cut of the dress is pretty straight. I think the only little criticism I have is that the dress does not come with a belt, and I think that it really needs it. So I decided to look at their accessories section to see if there's anything that can be matched with the dress, and sure enough I found the perfect belt. Actually, I've been looking for a belt like this for quite some time. I absolutely love the color. It's kind of like this cold light brown shade with like a golden buckle. This belt for $20, it's an absolute find. I know I'm gonna be wearing a repeat this season, next season, any season. It's really like timeless. It looks beautiful with the dress, but it also looks absolutely beautiful with everything else I own in my closet. So really happy with the belt. It also comes with many sizes. I got the extra small and it's perfect for me, but just check out their size chart and get the ones that fits your waist. You don't want to have like too much excess here that's flapping around, so pick the one that's best for your waistline. Really love it. Next up I have the perfect pair of everyday pants. I've been looking for something like this for quite some time now, and I'm happy I waited long enough because these are $25, and $25 is a price tag it's very hard to beat. The color is off-white. The waistline is paper bag elastic. It comes pretty high up. You can take a lot of tops in it. We have two really deep pockets at the front, which I really like, because buying women's pants with deep pockets is so hard, you guys know. So two very deep functional pockets. The fit of the pant on the back, it's kind of like mom jeans, so if you're looking for something really flattering for your booty, this is probably not for you. This is kind of like relaxed mom jeans, kind of like off-fitting on purpose. It's what I was looking for everyday pant. And the length we have here is a regular length. My preference for spring and summer is more of an ankle length, so cropped, but right now no one's working, like my tailor is not working. So what I'm doing instead is I am doing two folds, like I cuff the pant myself, and actually the fabric is doing a really good job at like just holding these cuffs, so I don't even think I'm gonna take it to the tailor after the lockdown is over. But yeah, really happy with these pants. They come in many other colors, so if this off-white is not your cup of tea, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video and you can look at all the other colors that are available. I got two tops for this pants. First is this cutie pie. It's a A-line 100% cotton top. Really spring-like, floral, feminine. It has a slightly gathered sleeve, which gives the sleeve a little bit of a puff, but nothing like the dress. It's just very, very, like, barely there, but nice detail. It has like a gathered, like, square neckline. Square neckline is somewhat of a trend this spring. I do see a lot of square necklines, but at the same time, it's definitely a neckline I would wear next year and the year after. So pretty timeless. $25, 100% cotton, pretty cute. And last but not least, I have this linen shirt. It's 100% linen, long sleeve. It's part of H&M's premium line, so the quality of the linen is pretty great. You can see the texture of it. And the reason I went with this shirt is because I really love this shade of green. It's not a shade of green I see often on linen. Usually you see your more standard army green shade. This one has more oomph in it. It's more saturated. A good linen shirt is really timeless. I have one in white and I wear it with jeans. I wear it to like unbutton as a cover up over my bikinis. It's just very versatile. Okay, so these are the pieces that I got. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to see you here again. Stay safe and see you next time.